I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. So, just trying to get a little footage of how you doing it. Okay, so into the 2x4s. So how will you how do you attach it to the wall over here?
We'll put a screw in some F26 on it.
So you're gonna screw into that
This
wood?
in the F26 on the brick. If you got some, if you don't, like I might have some.
I don't even know what that is.
It come in a tube like liquid nail, like a glue.
Yeah.
You come busting up the bricks. I'm trying to get it where it sits flat on the wall.
So then this will just sit up in this little groove here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, see now. I ain't gotta wait till it dry.
Right.
Them screws will hold it. Once it get hard, it ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna do what I do.
Yeah.
You measure how long you got to cut it. Let's put the level on it. See if we get it straight as we can possibly get it. Well, like it's gonna be in or out. See that? So what you'll do, you'll take this level too long. You'll take it, do it like this, like it's in. You'll bring it out to about like that. You'll cut you another block, and you'll push the block out where you need it at. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, to keep it level. That's it. And then you put your boards on it. So if it needs to be sitting out left far, then that's where you put your block. So you cut you about 3 of these. level on it, make sure it's straight.
I have a shorter level, but
I
if you
got
need
one.
one.
I got a short level out there. I got everything. Just ain't got everything with me, but I got one. Take it and bump this side up. Set the level on it. We get the level. And this side need to come up. There you have it, right there. What it needs to be.
Oh. Call myself coming to get some footage of you doing it and you through. Let me see. Let me get some footage. You through. The thing already up. No, you good. So what's your technique you figured out the best way to do it?
So the best way to do it is when you go in, first of all, hit a spot that's already cracked.
Okay.
You're gonna help it crack even more. Make this all so you hear me. And the winner is by knockout, literally.
Okay. You're making really good progress. Really good.
So I just have to get that bottom part off right there, but it's done.
Okay.
I'm gonna load it in the dumpster.
Okay. Need a shovel, don't we?
Yeah.
Want me to go get one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go around. We're about to come over. Got this cast iron pipe right here.
Big pieces. Yeah, that was pretty fast.
Huh?
That was pretty fast. Right, you got the right. How much that one weigh versus this one? This is what I was working with.
This is what you do when you're doing demolition. You gotta have a sledgehammer.
Yeah,
You're
heavy
doing
one.
the flows and everything.
Heavy one. Yeah, I already knocked that out.
I need to get out.
Done.
You got me blocked in. I got you.
You already done. This is a big sledgehammer, boy. I sat and watched it on tape. He demolished it. You hear me? Demolished it.
I got some more paper. Y'all come up through if you need some.
Yeah, he made sure of that.
We've been playing.
We've been playing. I done learned a lot.
He gonna get this too?
Yeah, he gonna get that. I done learned a lot here. One pop, that's coming off the wall where he rolling.
You got to be careful because you'll break the sheetrock on the other side.
Oh, yeah. So you can't go all the way through, huh?
No. You demolition the whole house. You always make a hole like that. That way you see where your plumbing at.
Yeah.
That way you don't tear your plumbing up.
Yeah.
Because otherwise I have to refix it. You don't want to make work for yourself.